Hey loves, I look a little bit crazy. What's new? I was trying to keep my bangs out of my face, so don't mind this. I just filmed a quick video on the new primers from Revolution, but now we're going to get into a 100% Revolution tutorial. There's a bunch of stuff that I just got, and I'm super excited to try. Alright, so we are going to jump in, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. Alright, so I'm just gonna look crazy since I have already primed my face with all of these new primers from Revolution. I do have the hydrate one all over my cheeks, and then I have the mattifying one on my nose, the pore blurring one on my cheeks and chin, and the color correcting one around my nose and a little bit on my chin as well. Alright, we're gonna start with foundation. I've got 3 here because I am weird and I like to mix them and I own them all, so I'm just like... What I've been mostly doing is mixing F1 and 0.5, but my F1 is like empty, but I did just get another one using my F2 as well because they both work. This is my absolute favorite foundation. I'm also going to film my 2018 favorites, which will probably go up before this video, so you guys are not going to be surprised at all that this foundation was my #1 favorite foundation of 2018. And now I'm taking 0.5. Okay, so we're going to blend this out. Now we're using the Conceal and Define Concealer in 0.5, and I'm going to prime my lids with this as well. For under my eyes, I'm going to use a little bit of the Ghost Powder. And then I am actually going to go into my Homogenation and Revolution Highlight to the Moon palette. And I'm going to go into the shade right here to set my nose. I think we're going to go ahead and continue with this guy. And we're going to use this guy. I love all of their contour palettes. I know I've said it time and time again. The Ultra Contour is one of my favorite. This one's really good as well. Almost every single one works for me, which is great. They're just so good at making face powders. I just feel like they blend unlike any other ones on my skin. I really want to try these jelly highlighters, and I think that I probably should have done that before I set my under eye, but that's okay. We're just going to try them now anyway, and then we'll put blush on. I think I want to mix these two because I can't decide which one I want to use. So I have Dazzling and Prestigious. One I think is the rose gold and one is the silver. Oh. So I'm just gonna mix them on the back of my hand because I don't know what a better... These are weird. I'm so excited to put it on my face though. Ooh. So I'm just gonna tap it. I think that we're gonna try this guy on top of it. So this one is Starstruck. I have not used this guy before. Ooh. It really kind of matches the glow that I already put on. It's gonna kind of set that jelly highlighter too. Not that I think you need to set it, I just like to. It's really pretty. And then I'm just gonna use one of the Triple Baked blushes. This one is in Andy, Queen of Hearts. Yes. All right, now we're gonna do brows. I can't find the brow pencil I want to use, so we're just gonna go ahead and use this guy. This is the Pro HD Brow Kit, and I'm just gonna try this lightest shade right here. Hopefully that'll work okay for my brows. Yay, now we're gonna do eyes. The packaging on these palettes is so insanely beautiful. This is the Jewel Collection Gilded. We're going to start with Sweet Life, just kind of this mustardy brown. I'm just going to pop that right into the crease. pigmented girl. I'm just gonna take that same shade on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take So What, just this cream matte shade, and put it on the brow bone. I'm just gonna take Confession right here. And again, I'm just taking that same shade to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the same little brush and go into Blackout. I'm just gonna start tapping it out here. I'm just blending. Going back into Sweet Life a little bit, this guy, and I'm just kind of putting it on the lid. I think we're gonna go ahead and do a wing. I am going to use the Renaissance Flick liner. I love this one, especially for a bold wing. Trying to decide if I want to do gold or silver. I almost feel like doing silver would be something different because this is such a gold eye. It might be fun to do silver. Maybe I'll start with silver and see if we want to do gold too. This is one of the glitter pastes in All or Nothing. So I'm just going to take this glitter paste and run it right along the top of that wing. Okay, so I'm just gonna give that a minute to dry and then I'm gonna clean up that line. Okay, now that that's dry, I'm just going to go right along the top of the wing and just kind of knock off any glitter that's made its way onto black, just to make it look a little cleaner. All right, now we're gonna do some mascara. I am just gonna use the Mascara Revolution. I absolutely love this mascara. You will definitely be seeing this or have seen this in my 2018 favorites. Since Revolution does not have lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these guys on off camera. For anyone wondering, I am gonna use the Social Eye Siren lashes. I absolutely love these and it's been a minute since I have been using my Social Eye lashes, so I figured I would. So I will be right back. We're gonna try one of these lip glosses. I already lined my lips and I put a little bit of concealer on my lips as well. This is kind of how I like to do the base for my lips before I go in with any color. I think I'm gonna use a tiny bit of Chauffer first and then this gloss, just because I feel like it's going to give me a better base. Okay, and then next we're gonna go in with one of the new I Heart Chocolate lip glosses. This is, what shade are you? Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. Look how pretty that color is. I swatched it right there. This is Chauffer, this is the lip gloss. Probably use one of the diamond toppers too. I'm gonna have too many lip products on. Oh, it smells so good. It literally kind of smells like cookie dough. And I think we're gonna use just the tiniest bit of this lip topper in Exquisite. All right, I think I'm just gonna pop something on the inner corner really quick. I think I'm just gonna go back into the Imagination palette and just use this white highlight right here. All right, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. Please let me know what 100% tutorial you want to see next. I will definitely be doing Colourpop, but if you guys want BH Cosmetics or something else, just let me know down in the comments what you are hoping for, and I will do my best to do that for you. All right, loves, well, I think that is everything. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. What are you doing? Crazy cat. That glitter and run it all right along the what are they doing? I don't even know. We're just gonna let them be. They're just gonna do their thing. It's fine. I'll never get my life together. Binks has joined us. You say hello. You say hello. Sweet boy. Sweet boy. What?